All right, check it out, you guys. A big green machine under the hood. And what we have here is an old fuel injection system. We're going to bring it up to modern times, right?
Let's show them what we're putting on.
All right, man. Yeah, it's from FiTech. Now it's the Go EFI, 650 horsepower. It's called the Go Classic. And this thing has everything you need to get something like this up and rolling.
Yeah, and on top of that, we've got the inline fuel and regulator master kit. So everything you need to plumb the system and make it easy.
Such a relief, too, man. When you think about fuel injection compared to especially like old carburetors, oh my God, night and day on the trail. But when you have an old fuel injection system like that, it's always a huge step up to give you something modern, something you can dial in with a hand tuner, something that has a lot of modern computing technology to it, so you can get in really, dial that thing up. And when you look at this, some great features in here as well.
Yeah, I mean, right out of the gate, you see it looks like a classic carburetor, which is cool.
Yeah.
Right? It gives you that look, but again, with all the modern tech in it. Now, they use fuel injectors inside, but sort of an annular discharge on how they get the fuel to kind of atomize and mix as it's going down. Pretty slick system, pretty kind of simple in a way, which you sort of want out on the trail.
Right.
Very dependable.
Yeah.
And these are great because they've got multiple bolt patterns for different intake manifolds, linkages that'll cover a lot of different setups.
Yeah, man.
So pretty much whatever you got,
Yeah.
it's a plug-and-play type of system, and you can get it up and running, self-tuning, self-learning in no time.
And a big improvement. So let's get at it.
Oh, there we go.
We asked him to hit us up with a couple fuel pumps. Not comes with a fuel pump. We said, hey, man, we're on the trail. You never know what happens out there.
Have a spare?
Can you send us two? Cool.
All right, a quick minute between dry times. We can take a break, but it's back to buttoning everything up and getting ready for that trail.
Yeah, man, and that means, look, a lot of upgrades. We put it out today. We got body armor on it, did the brake upgrade. This is a big improvement. All right, got it all dialed in on some paint, but we have to send it over to our friends at Truck U, because get this, Matt is actually coming along with me on the ride. And I gotta tell you, that's gonna be interesting because he's scared of everything.
Better bring an extra pair of underwear, just in case.
And 3 diapers, all right? And maybe by the time it's over, he'll learn how to use some of that equipment in the fab room.
He'll know what death at 1 mile an hour feels like. All right, hope you guys had some fun with us. We had a blast. We'll see you on the next Two Guys Garage or out on the trail.